And I'm 37-year-old.
Okay.
So, Josephine Valenza, I'm 31 years old.
My experience in my culture, bees are very important, or very, what can I say, respected. They are very respected. We believe that whenever bees, like a swarm of bees, come and visit at your place, they are ancestors coming to visit you, and they need something from you, so we will have to do a ceremony to let them go, so that they can come back in a dream or somewhere, or maybe through someone's dream, to tell you what they needed. To show people how honey is made and how the bees lives, so that they can also understand. It will actually also help us, for people to take care of the bees more when they have more knowledge. Then maybe when they plant, they also plan to think about the bees. So that's the thing that I think it can help us with when we have the tools. But it will also be an income to us, because we won't be doing it for free. It will be an income, but still, I believe that it will also help the community to change, or have a change of mentality of thinking about bees.